Gulagati constituency ni Bishing Khobjak Jormonjoynagar Panchayato Tipra Motha Bodolni Bukhakti Kaisa Panda Sunjajaka Tini June Tani Nichichuku Shalmari Kokti Shalo Tipra Motha Bodolni Pandawo Kami Amseni Burirongno Khwtwng Bakjaka Tipra Motha Bodolni Bukhaktui Khwtwng Bakphakya MLA Manav Debroma MDC Ganesh Debroma Khobi Joint Chairman Rakesh Debroma Tei Bijon Debroma Khobi Juda Juda Tipra Mothani Adongo Bahana Phai Manjapakya O shalo kami amchini kabang burung yago Khwtwng Bakha MLA Manav Debroma O shalo koktuma thumani biskango phaye khukhentinebo MLA Manav Debroma shaka Tiprasarogni sinimu hukumu mukumu komore na tui burirongno Khwtwng Bakjagoi tango Tipra Mothani bukhakdei tabuni borok tabuni burirok rignai takna kana pogoi thangai tongbakya haini bagai rignai takna rungbe ngai thangbakya rignai tak mungo yak dalak raknani burirongno yak thanti wakra khnani o naharmung tuino tabuk Tipra Mothani bukhakti bubagarin tudulbang bai burirongno Khwtwng Bakjagoi tongo shaka MLA Manav Debroma
Bakjagoi tongo mo tinaw jaga bo ekonogo disi location nogo o jaga sing ekta party ni ekta go khaikya soba khaikya ga tai Khwtwng bo bakha ke bagmane ekta khub naithokte tini oro kongma borok khaikya ke tini o jaga Khwtwng bagmani ekta nahang bubagrani sini mukumu sini jangmani identity sini samung kanmung basi sini jau ke sini kanmung bai jate khamai tikhe ke sini tangnani sini borok tangnani pogi thamai ke baksa mana jara srai tonai jo tangi simaya na ke jodi tangmani pogi thanga ke sini o kanmurok ala sugire dimet kannai haingnai kamai thanai ke sini abo asing nai chotok jate sini mukumuno nangna bagi no jate rignai rok protek area o manang tengni no tini Khwtwng Bakjagoi tini abo belai ke sini sing bare o thangke kanmun ngome sing saimana hajote abo sini borok abo je sini ke abo bangena tini Khwtwng Bakjagoi ke Khwtwng jate jotono nogot tagoi hamke rigen tangna bai tai ketal generation jara phainai jara ni busa busu rongno bo ri tangnani lengan abo ni nambai tini daga Khwtwng Bakjagoi kau make khai ke sini khai bote nam de de agi nage no ke ka dinai tanga ni mana ne ni khai na ni aji ni kau make dia ke bolong kan no family si bolong ni tak mari ke family na
Hello, my name is Dr. Neelam Ahmed and I am the Managing Trustee of the Mwthangwi Group of Institutions. Here, I would like to share with you our journey. I'm a medical doctor who studied in MS Ramaiah Medical College. In 2003, my husband and I started the nursing colleges, the Mwthangwi Group. We started with nursing, but today we have several courses and programs: allied health sciences, pharmacy, management studies, paramedical. And the good news is that today we started our Mwthangwi multi-speciality hospital. We have very good, experienced and well-trained faculty who take care of the students like their family members and are excellent in their teaching. Our students, after passing out, do very well and they are placed very well in hospitals across the world as well as India. We have excellent teaching facilities for our students, including full-fledged labs. We have all affiliations and approvals from the government. Our campus is easy to access as it is at a walkable distance from the Chikkanawa railway station.